Good afternoon, students. Last class we all studied fixed capital account. Fixed capital account is divided two types: capital account and partners current account. Listen, students. You first read properly this question. Fixed capital method means two types of account you created. First one, partners capital account. Next one, partners current account. This first one, partners capital account. The partners capital account you use only in capital. Additional capital only you put enter. Capital, additional capital only you put enter. The capital account is opening capital means this year opening means last year what? Closing capital. That is by balance B by D you enter 1,80,000. Next one, an additional capital is also same. Additional capital 2,000 same year. By bank account only you enter. Listen, students, CR side you use double side paper only. One side DR, one side is CR only. You write this. The same line only put double side. Answer is reflected. Up and down means you wrong. You is equally to CR side and DR side. Okay. Next one, you write this side, DR side. This is opening means this side closing date. 31st December to balance C by D 1,10,000 and 1 lakh rupees. Shanti and Sumati. This is NF. This is partners capital account NF. Next one, other information except capital and partners capital additional capital except two entries. Other entries you put use only in this account, current account. Do not use in capital account and capital additional capital account. Do not use in partners current account. Listen, students, clearly you watch this video. Current account, do not use partners capital and additional capital. You other entries only you enter this account, current account. Okay, students, listen, next one. By balance B by D 5,000 and 3,000 Shanti and this is current account. Listen, students, current account. This entry is DR side you put only 2 or 3 entries only you write. 2 entries is one is drawing and an additional one is interest on drawing. Drawing or interest on drawing. These 2 entries only put DR side you write. Other entries you write only in CR side. So much of expenses this side only you enter. This side 2 entry only. Capital account 2 entry only you enter, that is capital and additional capital over. Next one, partners capital DR side you write only in drawing and interest on drawing only you write this sum. Okay, students, some balances imbalancing means that time you use in balancing figure. Balancing figure is how to create it. Balancing figure, how to create it is balancing figure highest total minus lowest total. The answer is what? Balancing figure. Highest total minus lowest total means that is balancing figure. Okay, students, today we all discuss one new method of sum is fluctuating capital account. Fluctuating means what? Fluctuating means some changes. That is fluctuating capital method. Okay, listen everybody, one paragraph theory. Under this method, only capital account is maintained for each partners. Under this method, only capital account is maintained for each partner. All the transactions between the partners and the firm are recorded in the capital account. This account is created This account is credited with the initial and additional capital introduced by the partner. Interest on capital partners salary or commission and shares of partner profit of the partner. The account is debited and capital withdrawn drawings, interest on drawings and shares of loss of the partner. As a result, the balance in the account goes on fluctuating in periodically. Fluctuating means some changes in periodically. Under this method, partner's capital account may also show either the credit balance or debit balance. Credit balance or debit balance. Listen students, fixed capital is separate, you enter in the capital account. You follow separate, but this fluctuating method is you enter in all entries, you enter only one sum. You capital you enter and current account you together joining this sum as fluctuating capital method. Listen students, fixed capital method you put two methods. One is capital and current account, next one. But this fluctuating method is together means that capital account and current joining together is fluctuating capital method. Capital and additional capital, other entries also same, only one box only you write. Listen students, I example explain in one sum. Everybody first read out the sum. From the following information, prepare capital account of partners Mannan and Sivagan, when their capitals are fluctuating. Listen students, everybody listen, your question is fixed or fluctuating, you read carefully. Fluctuating. Okay, this method is fluctuating. Two partners, that partners is Mannan and Sivagan. You read first. Capital on 1st January 2018, CR side balance, drawing 2018, interest on drawing, sharing of profit 2018, interest on capital, salary, commission. Listen students, lost sum, what I instructed. Drawing and interest on drawing, put which side? DR side only you write. Other entries also created only in enter, you write in CR side. Okay, listen students. January opening capital, January 2018, how much? 2 lakh and 1 lakh 75, Mannan and Sivagan. You write enter. Everybody listen. How much? 2 lakh and 1 lakh. Next one, profit and loss appropriation 21,000 and 16,500. Next entry, profit and loss. Okay, next interest on capital, salary, commission. You write over this entries only you write. Afterwards, this total is how much? Sivagan 2,04,500, Mannan 2,51,000. But this side drawing on interest on drawing only 41,000. This side 35,500 only. Is compulsory. Adjust, you put balancing figure. Balancing figure, how to create it? highest total minus lowest total. That answer is balancing figure. That balancing figure to balance C by D 2,10,000 and 1,69,000 total. Evenly you write, put scale straightly one line. DR side and CR side same line only. Put 21,000, 2,51,000 and 2,04,500. Same side you enter this amount. Okay students, very easy only. Again one time I am telling, fixed capital method you write two types of account. One partners capital, another one is what? Current account. Partners capital you put right only partners capital and additional capital only you enter. Next one current account, other except other information you enter in current account. The DR side put two entries only in every sum in reflected. The two entries is drawing on interest on drawing only. This is fixed installment method or fixed method. Next one, this is fluctuating method. Fluctuating method is partners capital and current account together. Joining this method is what? Fluctuating capital. This method is capital account or additional capital account, say all entries together in DR side you will write. Same method, that's some fixed method of fluctuating. Same two entries only in DR side in reflected. Two entries only reflected, that is drawing on interest on drawing. Listen students, this is a very important only. I explain one 5-mark theory question in difference between fixed and fluctuating capital method. Already everybody you thorough this question. Easy, this is important 5-mark question this lesson. Okay students, next one is goodwill. Okay students, goodwill. Goodwill means what? Goodwill is asset or liability. Goodwill is good name. That name is company is asset oriented word. That word is good name. Company good name means automatically production increase. Production increasing means automatically profit increase. Profit increasing means automatically more created more employment opportunity. That is goodwill. Goodwill is asset oriented content. Okay students, this asset oriented content, this average, the goodwill is two methods, average profit method and simple average profit method. Everybody you read in determination of factor affecting goodwill. Everybody thorough this question already. Today sums only I explained. First one is illustration 1. Listen everybody. The following the profit of the firm last 5 years only. 5 years entering listen students, everybody profit or loss is that word is everybody you clearly watch. This line is profit. 5 years put to answer. Calculate the value of goodwill. 3 years purchase of average profit of 5 years. 3 years purchase, average profit is 5 years. Listen students, everybody you thorough this formula 1. Average profit in number of years purchase. Average profit into number of years purchase. Average profit formula is total profit by number of years. Average profit equal to total profit. Total profit means 5 years profit. How much? 4,000 3000, 5000, 4500, 3000 divided by 5 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 20,000 divided by 5. How much? 4,000. That is what? Average profit. The goodwill formula equal to average profit in number of year purchase. How many years purchase? 3 years. How many years profit? 5 years. Average profit is how much? 4,000. Number of years purchase is how much? 3 years. 4,000 into 3 is 12,000. 12,000 is goodwill. Okay, easy sum, students. Next class we will discuss another new methods of sums discuss. Okay, students, listen, next week monthly exam, students, you read properly. Theory question and sums is for more practice only. Sums, theory part you read, but sums is practice only, you get more marks. Okay, students. Okay, thank you. Next class we will discuss next one new topic. Okay, thank you, students.